Hey everyone, guess what? The Effortless Lash Kit just got better. It now includes our best-selling style, Understated, a mini glue and go pen, and our 2 easy lash applicator. Everything you need to apply your first pair of lashes. Effortless are comfortable, natural-looking, long-lasting lashes that look beautiful on everyone and are easy to apply. We eliminated the need to measure and trim lashes by designing Effortless on a pre-trimmed 3/4 length band. That's what truly gives you the effortless experience. In the new Effortless Lash Kit, you get a pair of effortless lashes in the best-selling style, Understated, with our dermatologist-tested glue and go pen, which is the easiest way to apply false lashes. It applies and dries clear, so no eyeliner skills are needed. Simply line, lash, and go. And a mini 2 easy lash applicator, everyone's favorite lash tool. Now, let's dive into application. First, shake the glue and go pen. Then, starting with one eye, apply the glue and go pen directly onto your lash line from inner to outer corner. Using the 2 easy lash applicator for precise application, place the lash along your lash line. And that's it. If you're new to lashes and want a kit that has it all, the Effortless Lash Kit is for you.